In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from Trusted Wallet to Kraken application in very simple steps. Using this step, you can transfer any crypto coin from the Trust Wallet to Kraken application. I will also show you that how much fee you have to pay. So we will compare the fees, that how much fee you have to pay when you deposit on the Kraken platform, also the withdrawal fees on the Trusted Wallet. We will complete all these steps using the mobile applications, so you can perform these steps on your cell phones also. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Now let's come on the Trust Wallet application first. So here you can see I have opened Trust Wallet application on my cell phone and I have multiple coins on my Trust Wallet, just like BTC, FTM, BIT. So I want to transfer FTM coin from here. If you press FTM, so I have $50 FTM Phantom coin on my Trust Wallet. So from here we will send these coins to Kraken application. Press send button. Here you have to add the address of the FTM address and the network is Phantom. So here you can see the network of the coin, that FTM Phantom network. If you want to find the network of any coin, just like for the PIT, I have this coin. So this coin is available in BNB Smart Chain network. So from here you can find the network of your coin. So I have FTM in Phantom network. So we need FTM address of the Phantom network, otherwise you may lost your funds. Press send button. Now come on the Kraken application. So here we have opened Kraken Action application on my cell phone. Come on the explore. Now search the coin which you want to deposit on the Kraken platform. For example, I want to deposit FTM Phantom network. Press this. After that you have to press the three dots which you can find on the right of the top. So here are multiple options: convert, deposit, withdraw and transaction. So we are depositing FTM here. Press deposit. Only deposit FTM from the Phantom network. Deposits from other network will be lost. The minimum deposit is 0.14 Phantom. Alright, I said I understand. Copy this address. Now come on the Trust Wallet application. Add your address here. And here you have to type the FTM amount. Or you can type the amount in USD. Let's say I want to transfer 10 USDT of Phantom here, which will be equivalent to 13.54 FTM. Press next button. So here you can see we are transferring minus 13.54 Phantom coins. The network fee is 0.000294 and we are transferring 10 USDT. Press confirm button. Thumb verification. Now here it's saying processing. Come on the transaction details. So the currently transaction is pending. It will be completed in couple of minutes. So do not worry. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. It will take couple of time. Refresh this. Now it says the transaction has been completed. So sometime it shows on the Trust Wallet that transaction has been completed, but on the Kraken platform it will take some more time. Now come on the Kraken exchange, press the back button, refresh this, come on the portfolio. So on the portfolio, FTM coin is not available yet. If you click on the view transactions, so here you can see the deposited Phantom is pending. Currently it is on the confirming status. Press confirming status. So it will take some time to deposit these Phantom coin on your Kraken account. So till you have to wait. It will take couple of minutes. Sometime it will take less time and sometime it will take more time. So do not worry. So here you can see in few minutes the deposit of Phantom is completed and we have received 13.54 USDT from Trust Wallet. If you come back on the portfolio, now here you can see on our portfolio 10 USDT of the Phantom is available. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer crypto coin from Trust Wallet to Kraken Action. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.